If you're wondering why Kaspa is pumping today, what is going on with the price action of Kaspa, I'm gonna answer exactly that question. So let's actually get to the freaking video. But before that, just follow me on X if you haven't already. What the hell are you doing with your life? I don't know, but you're missing out on a ton of alpha. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Show some love and appreciation for the free alpha that I bring you on a daily basis with daily uploads on this YouTube channel. Okay, why is Kaspa pumping? The roadmap has been updated on Kasplex from direct information apparently from the KEF or KEF. If you don't know what this is the Kaspa Ecosystem Foundation, three main actors, which are CoinPelcast Media and Rhubarb Media, which constitute this non-profit organization that takes the decisions out for Kaspa. So think about it, exchange listing, where do they get the money from? Actually, this is your answer. These three big companies that constitute the Kaspa Foundation actually take decisions for the ecosystem. It seems that Kaspa is pumping today for the actual release of the KRC20 network. That is very bullish news. And I also want to really prove a point here that everything in crypto is a Ponzi. It's all speculation. The market is reacting to the simple fact that KRC20 tokens were announced. Is this a fact that they're going to be there? No. But it doesn't matter because they've released the updated roadmap and it seems like these tokens are getting released. Because of that, the market is buying the rumor. Is it also going to sell the news? It's too early to say, but it's called buy the rumor, sell the news for a reason. And right now, everybody's buying the rumor because everybody's super excited about the KRC20 network and the KRC721 protocol. Why is the KRC20 network a big deal? It's bullish because a lot of projects are gonna leverage the Kaspa network, okay, the KAS network, and they're gonna be able to leverage the speed and the cost of transactions, which is pretty much non-existent of Kaspa. Think about it, after the deployment, you can send your favorite stablecoin, USDT or USDC or whatever coin, maybe there's gonna be even memes that you're going to be able to send through the use of the Kaspa network itself. That is going to be very good for the ecosystem. All the drawbacks that people are pointing out for Kaspa is that Kaspa is a ghost chain, Kaspa is a dead ecosystem. Guess what? People are going to be proven wrong after these things are released. And perhaps we're also going to have a run of meme coins built on Kaspa or perhaps any other sort of project, maybe gaming projects that are going to be built on Kaspa. That is extremely good for the ecosystem. This is absolutely sooner than what I would have anticipated. I would have anticipated something like this maybe to come out around the end of the bull run or perhaps mid bull run. I was hoping definitely not in the bear market because this is going to be undeniably one of the catalyst events that are gonna skyrocket the price of Kaspa. So I'm very happy to hear these things. Even if this gets delayed, it doesn't really matter. It's an official release date on an official roadmap, so the markets are going to react accordingly. And the fact that Kaspa at this level of market cap, almost touching the 3 billion, is still pumping this much when Bitcoin is really just ranging and not doing much, and the majority of altcoins are sitting in the red, have been sitting in the red for a couple of weeks now. It's very good news to see that Kaspa still can react despite very little interest in any sort of altcoin in this very moment, even when the market is so red. That really has to say, in my opinion, about how strong the community really is. Even the correction that we've seen here, it's not the heaviest correction that we've seen across a variety of other altcoins. And in my opinion, we might be due a new leg up very, very soon. Kaspa is going to be one of the first projects to pump as soon as Bitcoin dominance comes down a little bit and as Bitcoin heads towards the new all-time highs that everybody is expecting. So KRC20 token, easily one of the biggest catalyst events that you can imagine. The other one will be the deployment of smart contracts and of course exchange listing. That is also what is really going to push the price of Kaspa a lot, other than all of the technical upgrades, you know, Rust, the gold stack protocol, all these things are all good and all, the centralization of Kaspa is all good and on, but people need exchange listing. And this all depends on the KEF, the Kaspa Ecosystem Foundation, and these three big companies, which definitely don't lack the budget for exchange listings. So if Binance maybe accumulates Kaspa soon after hearing very bullish updates and very bullish news when it comes to this roadmap, if all of these exchanges start buying soon, guess what? You're gonna hear it sooner than later. If you see the price skyrocket for no reason, it's probably an exchange accumulating. Kaspa is not gonna be listed on Binance without any heads up. It's like the memes, oh, I won't tell you if I win the lottery, but there will be signs. And If Kaspa gets listed on Binance, rest assured there will be signs. We will see a pump that is going to be parabolic. You see, if you think that this pump was parabolic when Bybit was buying Kaspa, rest assured that the one of Binance and Coinbase are going to be exponential compared to this, especially when there's going to be much more liquidity in the market. And KRC20 tokens, in my opinion, are going to be one of the key events towards the development of Kaspa and the process of exchange listings. They are going to enrich us, all of us investors, especially the early ones like me and the majority of my community who started accumulating Kaspa very, very low when it was 1 cent, 1 cent and a half. I would still recommend buying Kaspa at these levels. Honestly, I think that this is one of the easiest 10x that you can have in crypto, perhaps even towards the 20 to 25x. I think that is still realistic. However, don't be the kind of guy that buys after a green candle like this. The price just pumped a lot, like 10% in the last week. Now it's coming down a little bit, and by the time that you're watching this video, maybe we're pumping again. I can't really tell because I'm gonna upload this video in 10 hours or whenever the hell I'm gonna upload this video. So never FOMO a candle at the top. You should be always buying into this level right here and never after a pump like this, okay? Pump when everybody's funding, when everybody is not super interested in your project, and then you're gonna make much more money in the long term after the candles turn actually green, but never FOMO at a green candle. Okay, so I hope that you were able to take some value out of this video. You guys already know that I have the best community in crypto. I don't even have to shill it this much because the value speaks for itself, especially now that we've restructured the Discord. It's better than ever, and the first private sales are actually live. So if you want to get into this early project at the VC round before even the seed sale, so because we're getting in at the first round of investing in my community and get those crazy multipliers for these gems long before I even mentioned them on the YouTube and even before they're listed on exchanges, and all of the other benefits that are all here on the screen, of course. Just first link down in the description and QR code that you see above my head. You might have a once in a lifetime opportunity to create generational wealth. You don't want to mess it up. And the prices are also rising very, very soon, so get in while you can at these extremely cheap prices. I hope to see you there and help you out with your crypto investing journey soon. And until then, take care for now.